is about bibimbap and how you can make it easily at home with whatever you have in your fridge or cupboard. This is a perfect, no drama weeknight meal, or even if you just need a recipe to clear out leftovers or any food in your fridge, bibimbap is great. So if you think about the restaurant version of bibimbap, it's colorful, there's something green, something yellow, orange, maybe red or white, and also there's a variety of different textures. But to be honest, at home, a lot of people in Korea can make bibimbap with just 1 or 2 ingredients. So you just need the rice, the fried egg, gochujang sauce, and you might just have it with a can of tuna or maybe just 1 or 2 veg. So it really is anything that you have at home. You can still make a really tasty meal. So today I just wanted to go through a couple of the different veg or how I might prepare them with things that are currently in my fridge. Of course, this isn't exhaustive, but just to give you a few ideas of how you can easily make this at home. The veg can be prepared in largely 3 ways. 1, you can just use them raw. 2, stir-fried quickly in a bit of oil. And 3, steamed or flash boiled. A few examples of what's in my fridge that I could chop up and throw in raw into a bibimbap. So 1 is lettuce. Also use any type of other salad leaves. Radish. You could just cut these up into small discs. Red cabbage, just thinly chopped, so like a coleslaw. Carrots, julienne. Something that I don't have right now, but also really nice, is sprouts, so like alfalfa or any type of baby sprouts. They taste really nice in a bibimbap. Moving on to vegetables that can be stir-fried quickly. Peppers. Mushrooms, I would stir fry this until the liquids are gone. Onion or leek, these are also really good stir-fried. Then there are vegetables that you may want to steam or flash boil. 1 is like a leafy green. This is Swiss chard, but there is a very popular namu in Korea, spinach, that is blanched and then seasoned. But you can use any leafy green for bibimbap. Green beans, steamed and just chopped into small pieces. Muli, so this can be steamed or stir-fried. So those are some ideas on how I might prepare the vegetables I have in my fridge now. But to be honest, those preparation methods aren't mutually exclusive. So for example, like with the red cabbage, you could have these raw, or these can be steamed or stir-fried. And the same goes with the courgette. This could be stir-fried or steamed. Same with the leafy green, it can be flash boiled or it can be stir-fried. It really depends on the texture that you want and the type of veg that you have in your fridge. So other things that you can add to a bibimbap are things that are pickled or fermented, like kimchi. You can add just straight kimchi, or you can stir-fry kimchi with a bit of sugar. That tastes really nice in a bibimbap. Like a Korean pickled radish also tastes really nice in bibimbap. In regards to protein, I mean, you will have the fried egg, but you can really add any type of cooked meat. So chicken, pork, beef, or even just a can of tuna. There's a lot you can do. It's very versatile. As long as you have the essentials, some rice, the gochujang sauce, and a fried egg. Of course, if you're vegan, bibimbap is super easy to make vegan. I'm not going to cook all of these vegetables for my bibimbap today, but I will select a few so you can see the different methods. Anything that is steamed or stir-fried, you can season with a bit of salt, pepper, sesame oil, and sesame seeds, just to enhance the flavor a bit. Okay, let's go.